Hey everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and Sorry Shop, Gaylord, Michigan. We are going to open back up to the public on limited hours from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday, and see if we can catch some foot traffic. There's a lot of regulars that were looking for us, so we decided to open back up. So I'm putting one row of everything on the shelves. I have been working very, very hard. That's why you haven't seen me doing much video recently. But I am going to get back into the videos when a couple more days. This is the last week I'll be working on setting this up. But you can see I'm getting everything set up here now so that we can actually then be open to the public again and try to make some extra money. And I'm also updating the web store very thoroughly, like never before. So we're really concentrating on that as well now. I got some space, I got some things I got to put up, but we're getting it all organized and everything neatly here. So we're open. So if anybody is nearby, they can come on in. But the door is locked. So if anybody wants to come on in, they can knock on the door. But we're upstairs in the same building we were in, out in the rear entrance. So if somebody comes on up, they can come around the rear entrance. The T's already know about it and are spreading the word of it anyway. So might as well share it with you guys and let you all know what we're up to, and make some money. So our online store is really getting a reworking. And everything is going on, along with much more detail. And I do still have the jewelry and stuff, but I haven't even got near to putting that online yet. Stuff all over the place that I'm working on still. So there it is. We're getting it all on there. Should be done today or tomorrow. I'll have all this done. By the end of this week, it'll all be done. And you'll notice there's a lot of new products in here that I did not have on the store online, and I'm also fixing that. I'm getting all the products up online that we've had that I never put on there. I wasn't concentrating on the online store before like we are now. So got a lot of new products going on there that you haven't seen before. And it's looking good. So everything's going to be out front here. And then we'll just keep this going as needed. But primarily, we're going to be an online shipping store. So our bulk products are in here. And for those of you who wonder, yes, we did get another delivery. I am doing a video on that for our Sorry Store YouTube channel, which I'll probably be doing later. I'll be putting that up later because I'm still doing that video as we go through the products and go over everything. I'm going to do a very thorough update on all the new stuff that we got. We got some new stock and products that we restocked. We are going to continue one way or another with the store and concentrate on sales. So, I mean, that is a potential gold mine we're sitting on here, and we're going to keep it going. And one of the major competitors went bankrupt, went out of business. So that opens the door for us to really get going. So I'm organizing the back room, all nice and neat, keeping the original boxes so I know what's what. And then it's all the inventory is going to be on the online store. And we have a good front end and a back end on that. So it's a really good system that we're running. So we can do in-house sales here, or we can do online sales. I'm also going to be putting together some bulk deals, and so you can check that out. Probably by the end of Saturday, I'll probably have the bulk sales going on, and we're going to have, to reduce shipping costs, we're going to have some package deals. So check out the store, sorryshop.org, SARI shop.org is our online store. We're also revamping shipping options and just improving things overall. So there you go, guys. I just wanted to give you a brief update and where we've been, what we've been doing, and probably next week I'll be back to normal daily videos because this will be done. it's been a lot of work. You can see we've got one of everything. Now what I've done is concentrated our products here. What we had spread out among that huge store is now going here. Instead of having a whole case of products, a whole case of something out, we put just a limited one row at a time of each item here, and then the bulk products. This is all the extra back here. Oh, out of focus. So that's how we're going to run this. And that way it looks like, well, I mean, it looks like less. It's a lot. It's all the stuff in less space. But that way a customer can come in and they can pick and choose what they want, and if they want more, we can pull it out of this back room here. So I think we're going to be set here for a while. It looks good. It's a much cheaper place, and I've got my DIY tube office over here. So we got our coffee bar and cash register here is combined now. Little bit of a mess because I'm still setting up, but there's the office. I've got a mining rig in here. Quiet, it's not much of a big deal, but I've got a mining rig in here, and my office, and my gardening video is you would have seen that, and that's here. Again, forgive the mess, I'm still setting up, but my plants are starting to sprout, but they're taking their time, so I'm going to do an update on that if they all grow. We'll see how it turns out. But anyway, here we are, guys. The new store, cheaper, neater, and all going to be online. Every single thing by Saturday will be done. Everything, including bulk deals and some neat specials. So check it out, sorryshop.org, and tell everybody about it. We'll ship it to your door, or you can choose in-store pickup. Talk to y'all later.